Magandang araw mga kasipnayan! Welcome to Sir Ocnic's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to define a geometric mean and we will insert geometric means in a geometric sequence. Let's have a review in finding the nth term in a geometric sequence. Find the seventh term of the geometric sequence 1, 2, and 4. Using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, wherein n is equal to 7, a sub 1 is equal to 1, and r is equal to 2 over 1, or simply 2. Substituting the given values to the formula, we will arrive at a sub 7 is equal to 1 times 2 raised to 7 minus 1. A sub 7 is equal to 1 times 2 raised to 6. A sub 7 is equal to 1 times 64, or simply 64. That means that the seventh term of the geometric sequence is equal to 64. What is a geometric mean? A geometric mean is also known as mean proportionality. It is an average which indicates the central tendency or typical value of a set of numbers by using the product of their values. The geometric mean of two numbers is given by the formula positive negative square root of a b, wherein a and b are the two given numbers, while if you're going to insert two or more geometric means of two numbers, use the ratio formula, which is given by n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1, wherein r is equal to the ratio a sub 1 is the first term and a sub n is the last term. Identify the geometric mean of the numbers 4 and 9. Use the formula square root of AB. We will have geometric mean is equal to positive negative square root of 4 times 9, which is equal to 36. The square root of 36 is equal to positive and negative 6. Therefore, we have two possible answers, 6 or negative 6. Identify the geometric mean of the numbers 5 and 10. Using the same formula, we will have positive negative square root of 5 times 10, which is equal to positive negative square root of 50. Now, square root of 50 can be simplified. Although it doesn't have exact value, we may factor out 50 by 25 and 2. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. So we will then have positive negative 5 square root of 2. Therefore, there are two possible answers, 5 square root of 2 or negative 5 square root of 2. Identify the geometric mean of the numbers 7 and 8. Using the formula, we will then have positive negative square root of 7 times 8, which is equal to positive negative square root of 56. Square root of 56 can be simplified and can be factored out, which is equal to positive negative square root of 4 times 14. Simplify square root of 4, and that will be positive negative 2 square root of 14. Therefore, there are two possible answers, and they are 2 square root of 14 or negative 2 square root of 14. Insert three geometric means between 3 and 48. This time, we are going to use the formula r is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1, wherein a sub 1 is equal to 3, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4 are the three geometric means to be inserted, and a sub 5 is equal to 48. Substituting the given values, we will then have r is equal to 5 minus 1 root of 48 over 3. Simplifying the operations, we will then have r is equal to the fourth root of 16, which is equal to 2. Since the ratio is equal to 2, we are going to multiply a sub 1 by 2. We will then have 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Multiply 6 by 2, we will have 12. Multiply 12 by 2, we will have 24. And multiply 24 by 2, we will get 48. Therefore, the three geometric means between 3 and 48 are 6, 12, and 24. Insert two geometric means between 3 and 81. Using the same formula, a sub 1 is equal to 3, a sub 2 and a sub 3 are the geometric means to be inserted, and a sub 4 is equal to 81. Substituting the given values to the formula, we will then have r is equal to 4 minus 1 root of 81 over 3. R is equal to cube root of 27, which is equal to 3. Since the ratio is equal to 3, let us now multiply 3 to the first term. We will have 3 times 3, which is equal to 9, and multiply 9 by 3, which is equal to 27. Therefore, the two geometric means are 9 and 27. Insert two geometric means between 128 and 16. Using the same formula, n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1, a sub 1 will now be 128, a sub 2 and a sub 3 are to be solved, and a sub 4 is equal to 16. Substituting the given values to the formula, we will then have r is equal to 4 minus 1 root of 16 over 128. Simplifying the operations, we will then have r is equal to the cube root of 1 over 8, or simply r is equal to 1 half. Since the ratio is equal to 1 half, let us now multiply the first term by 1 half, and that would be 128 times 1 half, which is equal to 64. 64 times 1 half, which is equal to 32. That means that the two geometric means between 128 and 16 are 64 and 32. Let us now generalize what we have discussed in this video. A geometric mean is an average which indicates the central tendency or typical value of a set of numbers by using the product of their values. The geometric mean of two numbers is given by the formula positive negative square root of AB, wherein A and B are the two given numbers. And if you are going to insert two or more geometric means of two numbers, use the ratio formula given by n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1. Let us now have knowledge check. Do not forget to pause this video while you are answering the activity. Let us now check your work. Identify the geometric mean of the numbers 10 and 18. Using the formula positive negative square root of AB, we will then have positive negative square root of 10 times 18, or simply positive negative square root of 180. We may simplify the radical number by getting the factors of the radicand, which is equal to positive negative square root of 36 times 5. Simplify square root of 36, and that will be positive negative 6 square root of 5. Therefore, the two possible answers are 6 square root of 5 or negative 6 square root of 5. Insert three geometric means between 4 and 324. Using the formula r is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1. We will then have a sub 1 is equal to 4, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4 are the means to be solved, while a sub 5 is equal to 324. Substituting the given values to the formula, we will then have r is equal to 5 minus 1 root of 324 over 4, or simply 4th root of 81, which is equal to 3. Multiply 3 to the first term to get the second term, and that will be 4 times 3 equals 12. Multiply 3 by 12, we will then have 12 times 3 equals 36, and 36 times 3, which is equal to 108. Therefore, the three geometric means are 12, 36, and 108. Insert two geometric means between 16 and negative 2. Using the formula r is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1, a sub 1 is equal to 16, a sub 2 and a sub 3 are to be solved, and a sub 4 is equal to negative 2. Substituting the given values to the formula, we will then have r is equal to 4 minus 1 root of negative 2 over 16. Simplifying the operations, we will then have r is equal to cube root of negative 1 over 8, or simply r is equal to negative 1 half. Since the ratio is equal to negative 1 half, let us now multiply the ratio to the value of the first term to get the second term. And that would be 16 times negative 1 half, which is equal to negative 8, and negative 8 times negative 1 half, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the two geometric means are negative 8 and 4. Thank you for watching Sir Ocnic's YouTube channel. If you think that this video is a big help, hit like, feel free to share, and do not forget to subscribe. Always have fun learning math. Enjoy learning! Thank you, and God bless.